Hello everyone, let's now move further with another activity. We are going to show you how we can create these flowers using few simple easy steps. You just have to take the colorful sheet of the paper, then trim it according to the shape that's apparent on your screens. Then you just have to open this flower. Once you're done with it, just fold it, create some of the creases out of it. This type of the activity is very simple and it's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 7 to 8 years. You just have to take help of some adult for just trimming and cutting because you can't hurt your hand, and this one is a safety measure that you have to take care of. After that, you just have to make the petals properly like we are done here, then fix them at the proper position. Here I'm taking the another sheet of the paper and I'm again cutting it, trying to make some of the flower features properly. For this I'm taking help of a toothpick and fixing it properly. Let's move further with another activity. Here I'm taking this newspaper sheet and then see how I'm folding it. This activity is very simple and it's very easy. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 9 to 10 years. Moreover, you don't need to invest much of your money for performing this activity. All you just need is an old newspaper that you are going to work with and convert it into this beautiful thing. This one is just boat inspired boat that we are creating. Let's move further with another activity. Here we are going to show you how we can create some of the flowers out of some colorful sheets of the paper. You just have to first trim some of the strips of the sheet of the paper, then roll them and fix them properly using the glue stick. After that, we have to work for creating the tassels. These are going to represent the petals of these flowers. Be careful while you're making use of the scissors. You can just pause the video so that you don't get confused at any particular step. Then follow the each step in a sequential manner. This type of the activity, if we'll talk about the difficulty level, then this one is not that much difficult. It's little bit middle difficult, and fix it at the proper position. Don't forget to add the stalk and the leaves. Let's move further with another activity. Here I'm taking the sheet of the paper and I'm just folding it, creating some of the creases out of it, then reopening it. You just have to repeat the process from the other end also. This type of the activity is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 9 to 10 years. Then fold the corners as shown here. You can pause the video and don't get confused at any particular step. This type of the activity is very easy and very nice. All you require is just a sheet of the paper and then you just have to follow the each step. This type of the activity is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 9 to 10 years, and it's little bit time consuming because you have to create some of the creases and you just have to unfold the paper many times so that you can make it perfect and it looks quite nice and easy. Let's move with another activity. Here I'm taking the small sheet of the paper and I'm just folding it according to the shape that's apparent on your screens. After that, you just have to fold it from all the four edges that is shown on your screens. You can just pause the video so that you don't get confused at any particular step. Then this tiny miniature is placed over the thing that we have created earlier. Thank you.